Jai Srimannarayana. 15th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yunjannevam sadatmanam yogi niyatamaanasaha శాంతిం నిర్వాణ పరమాం మత్సంస్థాం అధిగచ్చతి. ఓం. లింక్ యువర్ కాన్షియస్నెస్ in a constant concentration on Paramatma. Then you will enjoy the supreme bliss constantly. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall link my consciousness in constant concentration upon your divine feet. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Usana has done 100 Asvamedha Yajnas. Usana's son is Ruchaka. Ruchaka has Purujit, Rukma, Rukmesha, Prudhu, Jyamagha, 5 sons. And Jyamagha has no sons. His wife is Saibya. Out of being scared of Saibya, Jyamagha never married to any other girl. And because Jyamagha previously worshipped Visvedevas, Pitrudevatas, with their Ashirvadam, Saibya became pregnant and gave birth to one son. His name is Vidarbha. Even before this Vidarbha was born, one girl was brought to their home so that this Vidarbha can marry that girl. So after becoming an adult, Vidarbha married to the same girl. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 15th sloka. Yunjannevam sadatmanam yogi niyatamaanasaha shantim nirvana paramam matsamstham adhigacchati. Yunjannevam sadatmanam yogi niyatamaanasaha shantim nirvana paramam matsamstham adhigacchati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.